girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're returning subby? So today I am going to be reviewing WorldNewHair. This is a company. They reached out to me. They sent me a 14-inch bob in 150% density. This is straight hair, human hair, and y'all, I'll talk about her later. So this wig was shipped on March 12th, and I received it today, 3/22, in this packaging here. Okay, and it has all their information. I'm gonna put the information in the link in the bottom. It came with a lot of goodies. So the first thing that they sent me was wig cap. Okay, they also sent me the attachment so I can add on the band in the inside of the unit. They also sent me a pair of lashes, and they're really, really cute. So these are the lashes. Y'all know I like big lashes. They also sent me a wig grip. So this is pretty cool. So I like that. They sent me a satin scarf. And y'all know I love these. These come in handy. See, I got one on now that protects my edges. They sent me a wig clip. And they sent me a headband. Okay? Now, let's get into this unit, y'all. This is her. 14 inches in the color orange. Oh my gosh. And she is beautiful in this color. Y'all kind of nervous. So yeah. She comes pre-plucked already, but y'all know I'm gonna go in and just do some plucking anyway. But I want y'all to see what we got right now with the hairline and with the lace. So we're gonna get into the construction with the cap first. So she is a 13 by, she looks like a 13 by 6. So this is what we have here. We have 3 combs in total. We got 2 on the side, and then we have 1 in the back. And this is how the wig looks constructed. And we also have some lace back here just in case if we want to pull it up. Okay, so she is really, really thick. I am loving her. I like her straight out the pack. I don't know if I'm going to leave her in this length. Y'all know with my bobs like this one, this was like a 16 and I cut like really short, so we'll see. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just go in and pluck my unit, and y'all know I got my Sally Care, and that is what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna attach that to my little area over here. I know how I pluck. I'm just going to part all the way across. She has quite a bit of flyaways. Y'all can see. Let me get close. Y'all see those flyaways that we have, but it's fine. Go in and pluck all over. Alright guys, so I want my hair to go to the side. I want a side part. So I've plucked, and I kind of want a deep side part. So I am going to go ahead and make my part. Now it comes with a pre-part, but it wasn't too deep for me. So I want my part going this way. Okay, so a lot of flyaways as you can see. So I'm just going to use my wax stick, okay, by beadhead to lay the hair down how I want it to lay. Okay, areas, and I'm just, and then this way. Go ahead and take this wig off. Go ahead and cut off the lace to the unit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the unit on. I didn't put any glue down yet because I do have like some leftover glue from the wig that I had on before. Now they do give you the attachment for the headband, and that comes inside of the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it. And I'm going to attach all of my combs. Okay, I didn't do anything to it. I just literally cut it cut it off, and that was all. So now I'm just gonna get an idea of the shape of the unit. I just think she would just look so much better shorter, in a shorter length. I got like flyaway strand. I'm gonna take her off. I'm gonna cut her like right here, and then I'm going to come back. Alright. Okay, go ahead and clip. Just to see how I want her to lay. Also, this is how she's looking with me just using the Got To Be glue, and I'm loving her, y'all. Like, I haven't added any powder, I haven't added anything but the glue. So I love this lace, and for it to be like a color unit, that is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb it one more time. So this is how she's looking, y'all. Look, it look like it's coming from my scalp. I am loving this color. This color is very, very pretty. It's very, very cute. I was really scared, y'all, because y'all know I don't do color. But this color is super, super cute, and it go with my outfit for today. So I am loving her. She looks so much better in a bob, because y'all know I don't do like long, like colored hair. I always cut it into a bob. So, and this is how the bob looks. I'm gonna do a 360. Remember, she did come in a 14-inch, so now I cut it to about a 10, and I'm loving her. She comes pre-plucked, but I did a little bit more plucking, but other than that, it's nothing. You listen and put her on. So I am giving her a 10, y'all. Color, loving. The density, I'm loving. The lace, I am just completely blown away. So I am just completely blown away. So this unit is definitely a yes for me. All right, so let me know if you're feeling her and all that good stuff, and thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye.